So guys, if you want to know how to make cake, any kind of cake at home using just biscuits, with just biscuit without flour, then you have to stay tuned till the end of this video. Make sure you watch till the end of this video, guys, because I'm going to show you in this video how to make cake without flour, just with biscuit. The biscuit you buy for your kids, the biscuit you buy for your younger ones, that's what I'm going to be using. Just normal biscuits, that's what we're going to be using to make these cakes. Okay guys, so if you want to know how I made this cake, just stay tuned, okay, to the end of this video, guys. So hello guys, what's up and welcome back again to my channel, Times of Janvi. Please, if I new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and for my return subscribers, I want to say thank you to you guys. Okay, hope you guys are doing good. So guys, today, like I don't know, like a few days ago, let's say 2 days ago, I made a video, like just a little bit of video, okay, where I did I was showcasing this cake that I did just without flour. I told many people that I used I told people that you guys that I used just biscuits to make that cake. I made of you didn't believe me, and the ingredients I used was not even up to 10 safe. Let me tell you guys. My main of you didn't believe me, so I said, look, I knew you guys are not going to believe me, so I'm going to make a recipe. So I told me, so many people now commented, okay, yes, even those I posted in my status and everything, told me that they would like to see how I made it because they don't believe that I did it. Even my mom said, did not even believe that I did it with just actual biscuits. Okay, yeah. So today I'm going to making two type of cake. I think I may just do red velvet and they call it red velvet and chocolate cake. Okay, so this is part of the biscuit I bought. That is cookies, chocolate something, short cookies, short, I don't say anything cake for you, chocolate short cake. I bought this one from City Mart yesterday, so I just ate my reserved it for this purpose to make the chocolate cake today with it. And this part are the chocolate ones. See my go just for now. Those are the chocolate one I'm going to be using, yes, to make the cake and everything. And this one I'm going to use there to do chocolate on. Then this other green one, see you're seeing here, guys, I'm going to use to just make just the normal, maybe red velvet or something like that. Yeah guys, that's just it. So guys, I think after that I have my sugar. This is like 1 cup of sugar. Now I don't want you guys, please don't even ask me the price, okay? Then we have egg, as if these eggs are broken or something, so I have to be quick in using them. We have eggs. This is 4 eggs. This is for 520 naira. That's what I got them for. Then we have baking powder. Baking powder is this one. Yes, this level whatever, napalm baking powder. Okay guys, this is so good, guys. Then I have this golden penny butter. That's what I'm going to be using today. I didn't buy baking fat, you understand. I bought this one, I think for the price of 2,500 naira. Yes guys, so I'm going to use it. This one is bread spray, but we go manage them. A guys just have to work, you understand. If you don't have this any of this butter at home, you can use oil, normal groundnut oil or vegetable oil you used to use, like Nigerians will call it groundnut oil. You can use it. Yeah. So we have our cowbell milk. Cowbell. There are actually two sha. This is another one of it. This is another one. Then this one is this is the favorite bright call choice. This one is cake preservation sha. Makes bakers. Okay, it's cake preservation used for preserving of cake and everything. That's your cake can stay as long as possible. So guys, I think I don't just go to get into it. See guys, let me explain it to you guys. This cake, this biscuit you're seeing now, but there are many ways you can do it. If you have that blender that if you have those blender that usually that can grind anything, including beans or stone or anything, that strong blender, you can use it to grind this biscuit. But if you don't have, you can use mortar. You see that mortar over there? That's what I'm going to use now to pound my own. That this thing over there, sorry, I'm going to wash it, then dry it. I'm going to use it to pound the biscuit into powdered form. Then I'm going to show you guys the entire process. I'm not show you guys, I'm not tell you guys how I'm going to make it to be powder. I'm just going to convert it into powder. Okay, there, so you guys can see it's like this. I'm going to use mortar to pound it until it becomes into that powdery form. You understand? Is there any grammar as powdery form? Manage and powdery form, yes. So guys, that's just it. We're going to start by removing our biscuits from their leaders and everything, okay?
not alone. No. Women supporting women is by your side. Eh. The folks will help you. The folks will madam, your future will be good. This
So guys, it's time for us to mix our butter and sugar together. Okay, yes, in a bowl I'm going to be putting in our butter. Guys, know that this butter is not for baking. Okay, there are other butters that we use in baking, that is baking fat, C-Max and other butter, but this is just the one I have at home, so I have to just make do with the one I have here, because this is the one I have as of doing this video. But in case you don't have either the C-Max or this one, you can just make do with vegetable oil. You can also substitute. The most important thing is that let them be fat in the whatever you're baking. Okay guys, so I'm going to pour in my sugar. After pouring the sugar, I'm going to make sure we stir thoroughly. I want to give it a thorough turning, better turning with our eku. You know what eku is? Eku means turning gari, that thing that using. Yeah, look at it, eku. I'm going to turn it. Make sure I'm going to give this the butter and sugar a very nice stir until it is lighter. Okay, yes, until it has a very light and whitish consistency. That's it, guys. So guys, this is like after 10 minutes of even turning, and I need to turn it very well, guys. You can see it is still yellowish. So I've already separated into two different bowls. I'm doing two different type of cakes today. So I'm going to start working with the first one, that's chocolate cake. You guys can really see this is the bowl we're going to be using to do our chocolate cake. So I'm going to first of all break in 2 eggs and the plate. Because these eggs, I'm going to add it into the butter. Okay, yes, I'm going to break in 2 eggs. So guys, this is the egg right now. So I'm going to quickly mix it. Just you guys say the way I'm mixing it very well. Make sure you mix it well. Let the yellow parts, just let them mix together with the white parts. Okay. Then I'm done mixing. At this point, I'm going to pour it into the our butter. Yes. Then I want to stir thoroughly. You can see me stirring it very well. I think it's the right time to even ask, like, have you subscribed? You that watching this video now, yes, you that's watching this video now, have you subscribed? Please, if you are not, I want to tell you guys, please consider subscribing now, okay? Because this is the right time. This is the right time for you guys to subscribe to this channel. This is just the right time to do it now, okay? Yes. So if you are not subscribed, please kindly subscribe, okay? So you guys can see I just added milk, the tin milk, okay? I just added small into that egg. I poured into the butter, so I'm turning it now. At a point, I'm going to get a mixer to mix it so that everything can just combine together. Okay guys, so guys, at this point you guys have already seen that we're done with our biscuits. Okay, our biscuit is now in a powdery form. Then I'm also still stirring our milk and egg. Okay, yes, you guys can see I'm turning them together. I think it's the right time. Look at our biscuits now, it's in a powdery form. Look at it, guys. So this is our cocoa powder. I'm going to just add a bit of it because this is a chocolate cake now. We need the cocoa powder in it to darken it the more. Yeah, you guys get that texture, to browning it, sorry. Yes. So guys, I just decided to add a bit of sugar. Okay, yes, to the rounded biscuits. So I'm going to add a bit of salt, just a pinch of salt. Just give it, salt just for taste. You understand, guys? I'm going to just stir to combine. Then after stirring, I'm going to just pour it into our egg and milk mixture and combine. You understand, guys? Yes, combine. Then if you feel like it's not it's too thick, I'll just add a bit of milk to loosen it, but let it not be too watery. Let it not be too thick, let it not be too watery. You guys get the consistency. You understand? May not be just average. Yeah. So you guys can see that time to time I do add milk, a bit of milk to it, so that it loosens the butter a bit, or let's say the biscuits. No, it's not longer biscuits now, it's the butter. Okay guys, now it's time for me to add in our baking powder, just a bit. I'm also adding small of the baking powder. You guys can see this was even plenty, but anyhow. So this is me mixing the baking powder into the butter. I'm turning it thoroughly because I mixed it when it was dry, when the biscuit was still dry, just like I mixed the sugar and the salt. But anyhow we go. So after that, I think the next thing to do is
I added a bit of sugar because I tested it and the sugar was not it's not giving at all. Because I added cocoa powder a lot, so I had to add a bit of sugar. Guys, it depends on. See, don't follow my method. Don't follow the way I did it, but the sugar and everything, you guys know the way you want to add it on your own. You understand? Yes, don't follow my measurements, okay? Because it seems I don't get measurements, so I'm going to add the cake preservation here. Now you guys can see I added a bit. Yeah, it's not a bit, it's much, but just I don't want to take chances. So I'm going to stir to combine.
So guys, after combining, we're done. Now our batter is ready. We're going to set aside, then look for our baking pan so I can grease it with oil or butter. So I'm quickly going to grease this our pans with oil and butter. Okay, so I've already done it off camera. I use butter to grease it just to gain, so when we are done baking the cake, the cake can come out of the pan easily, okay, without any hurdles. Okay, yeah guys, so guys, this cake now that you guys are seeing now, like, it's pink, it's red velvet gone wrong because I don't have enough color to do it, so it's not turned to pink instead of red, guys. In fact, you guys will not understand. I was just very angry, sha, but don't worry, sha, it is well. It is well, okay guys. So guys, the most important thing is just the taste of the cake, not the color or anything. You guys get me? Okay, it's just the taste, not the color. That's why we just have to manage the cake like this. But thank God it's not something I'm doing for a client or something like that. So guys, at this point, I'm going to just bake this cake for like 45 minutes in an industrial oven. I'm not using the normal oven, so I will set timer. No, I baked this cake on a low heat. Okay, yes, in an industrial oven. Now they use making bread in a bakery. How I used to bake it for 45 good minutes. How I used to bake this cake until it's done. So guys, this 50 minutes later, so our cakes are ready now, guys. The reason is 50 minutes that the cake was actually ready 45 minutes ago, but for me, because I wanted the cake to cool down, that's what made it the extra 5 minutes that made it 50 minutes, guys. So because I wanted the cake to cool down a bit. So guys, see, don't follow my timing, okay? Once I bake your cake, make sure that after it's 10 minutes, just start checking it, okay? Time to so it doesn't burn. Check it time to time. Make sure you use maybe a toothpick, a spatula, or maybe a fork, or maybe even broom, anything that's clean but dry. Make sure you dip it into the cake time to time. If it comes out clean, know that your cake is ready. If it doesn't, then you feel like the batter is still sticking to the spatula or anything you inserted inside the cake, know that the cake is not ready. So guys, at this point our cake is ready with just biscuits, guys. See guys, if you are not subscribed up to this point, if you are watched up to this point and not subscribed, I don't know whether I'll say you're wicked or whether I will say you're just unconsiderate, because guys, look at what the kind of content I give you guys. Do you know they used to use biscuit to do cake before? So guys, this content, like, please subscribe, become subscribe. So guys, that's just it. I hope you guys now believe me that we can use biscuit. We can actually use biscuits now to make cake, guys. So guys, that's just it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Head on to my other channel, Raising with Javi, and subscribe to that channel as well. And also follow me. You can follow me on my social media platform: TikTok, Times of Janvi, Facebook, Divine Favor, and Instagram, Divine Chidioke. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Please let me know what your thoughts about this video is in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to stay safe. Don't forget to continue show love to others, show love to yourself, and don't forget that Jesus loves you as well. Okay, that's the most important part. Okay, guys, so just tell me whether I go to be trying this at home. I go to be trying this, my recipe of how to make cake at home with biscuit. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye, see you soon, love you.